Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Headspace subscription status and check your membership details, follow these quick steps to confirm your active subscription. Step 1. Open the Headspace app on your mobile device and sign in using your email address and password, or visit headspace.com in your web browser. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon or account avatar in the top corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings and profile page. Step 3. Look for a section labeled Subscription, Membership, or Account Settings. Tap on this option to view your subscription information. Step 4. Review your subscription details, including your plan type, whether you have an individual, student, or family subscription, and check your billing cycle. Step 5. Verify your subscription status shows as active. You should also see your next renewal date and the payment method on file. Step 6. Check the features included in your subscription plan. Premium subscriptions include access to all meditations, sleep content, and movement exercises. Step 7. If you're on a free trial, note the trial end date to see when your paid subscription will begin. Take a screenshot of your subscription details for your records, and if you notice any issues with your subscription status, contact Headspace support through the app or website for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.